Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to study a new grammar topic, that is articles. What are articles? Articles are the words used before a noun and they modify the noun. There are three articles in English language. So we will learn some rules to use these articles. There are three articles in English: a, an, and the. They are categorized into two different types. The first one is definite article and the other type is indefinite article. The comes under definite article and a and an are indefinite articles. So, the articles a, an, and the are used before the nouns or adjectives. Let's learn how to use articles. First, we will study indefinite articles a and an. As we all know, there are 26 alphabets in English language. We have 21 consonants and 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, and U. Now let's learn the rules for the indefinite articles. A is used before the nouns starting with a consonant sound. I again repeat, a is used with the consonant sounds. Example, book, rat, flower. All these nouns start with a consonant sound b, r, and f. So we say a book, a rat, and a flower. But in the next two examples, uniform and 1 rupee coin. Both these words begin with vowel, but when we pronounce them, they give a consonant sound. Uniform, it gives the sound of a consonant U. We do not call it as uniform. The next example, 1 rupee coin. 1 gives the first consonant sound, that is W. So, we say a uniform and a 1 rupee coin. An is used before the nouns starting with the vowel sound. Apple starts with E, orange starts with O, ice cream starts with I, elephant starts with E. So we say an apple, an orange, an ice cream, an elephant. But there's one more exception, an hour. Though hour begins with the consonant H, it begins with a vowel sound as H remains silent, that is hour. We don't say hour. Next rule is a and an are used with countable and singular nouns. We say a noun is countable if we can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. All these nouns on the screen are countable nouns. So when we talk about one car, one teacher, one umbrella, we use a or an. We cannot use a and an with the uncountable nouns because we cannot count them. Example, water, coffee, love, darkness, air. Because we cannot say I drank 4 water or I breathe in 10 air. That sounds something weird, right? So the rule says we use a and an only with the countable nouns, and that too which are singular in number. We do not use them with uncountable and plural nouns. More rules for a and an. A and an is used to talk about non-specific things, that is when we talk about the things in general. So now, examples. When I ask a question, do you have a pencil? It means I need a pencil. But when I say a pencil, I mean to say I want any pencil, not the specific one. Next example, I want to buy an apartment. Means an apartment means here I have not decided which apartment I need to buy. It may be 1 BHK, 2 BHK or 3 BHK. So here an apartment means I just need to buy an apartment which is non-specific, which is non-specified. Next example, if you are sick, you should see a doctor. So a doctor means you can visit any doctor, not the specific doctor. Next rule says, a and an is used before nouns when we are referring them for the first time. So when you talk about the nouns for the first time, where the listener is not knowing which nouns you are talking about. So at that time you use the indefinite articles a and an. Example, this is a cup. The cup is red in color. So in the first sentence, this is a cup, I say, I am referring to the cup for the first time. And the listener whom I'm talking to or I'm telling about the cup, the person is not knowing what I'm talking about. So I've referred about the cup for the first time. This is a cup. But when I say the cup is red in color, means I'm talking about the same cup which I had referred in the first sentence. The second one, we went to a museum yesterday, which means you are talking about the museum for the first time. And when I say the museum is in Pune, it means we know that the museum that we visited is in Pune. Next example, there is a banyan tree near our garden. The tree has grown big. So when I say there is a banyan tree, so we are not talking about the banyan tree for the first time. And when I say the tree has grown big, means I'm talking about the same tree which has grown big now. Another rule, a and an is used to talk about someone's profession. Example, he is a gardener. He is an ambulance driver. She is a doctor. So here, gardener, ambulance driver, doctor are the professions, which means the category the people belong to. So we use a and an before the professions as per the consonant and vowel sounds. Rule 4. To refer to a member of a class of things, we use a and an before it. For example, a snake hisses. So when we talk about all the snakes, means a class of things. But in this sentence, a snake, here it represents the entire group of snakes. Another example, an ostrich can run fast. An ostrich in this sentence refers as a member of the entire class. A teacher should be friendly to students. So this teacher is representing like a member of the entire class. Rule 5. A and an is used when we talk about only one thing. Means a and an is used to refer only one thing. Example, I want an egg. Means I want only one egg. I have a cat and 2 dogs. Here it means I have only one cat and 2 dogs as pet. Next rule, a and an is used in the exclamatory sentence before an adjective with singular and countable nouns. Example, what a beautiful house. So in this sentence, beautiful is an adjective and house is a singular countable noun. So we refer to a beautiful house as a beautiful house. Next example, what an awesome place. So awesome is an adjective and place is a noun. The last rule, we use a if the adjective begins with a consonant sound and an article an if the adjective begins with vowel sound. Example, he is an honest man. So in this sentence, adjective honest begins with the vowel sound o and not the h is silent. So we have added an honest man. In the next example, Priya is a sweet girl. So sweet is an adjective and its sweet starts with a consonant sound S. So we have written Priya is a sweet girl. Now let's do a small exercise. You can see 12 sentences on your screen. So think and fill in the blanks with article a or an. Stop the video, think for a while and then check your answers. So here are your answers. I hope you all have given the correct answers. So now we have learned 7 grammar rules for the articles a and an. So please revise them.